It sounds really loud still, so it's not entirely going to the exhaust, so I'll have to figure that out. Oh, shit.